TRD Pro, BBS forged wheels. Take a look inside. TRD Pro, work's getting done. Engine bay, iForce Max, LED, Toyota grill. The suspension is factory suspension lift on here. Oh, Fox TRD suspension. Interior, look at that big screen. TRD Pro. Floor mats, tonneau cover. The back. Let's look at the interior real quick. Here's the seats. TRD Pro here, TRD on the steering wheel. It shows a little marker. TRD. You can see the gauge. This one has 8,000 miles on it, so it gets driven. Pretty cool key. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to show you the startup, or not the startup, but the sequence of how it looks. Very cool Toyota Tundra, iForce Max, accessory mode. If I push it one more time, here's everything right here. Full digital cluster. The hazards on, and turn this off real quick. Just show you how the lights look. Blind spot monitors. Turn signals in the mirrors. Look at the sequential. Really cool stuff. Lights here, lights over there. Same thing with the sequential. The camera makes this kind of flashy because of LED. And this is how the taillights look. Even the taillights turn signals are really cool. Really cool stuff.